What's new, pussycat? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's new, pussycat? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Good morning, everybody. Chunky here with you again today with another Chunky Makes or Yum Time. Yesterday's video got such a good response, and I want to thank everybody for that. I want to thank everybody for the support. Like I said, trying to do these in a way to bring you guys a little content until things get back to normal. You know, with everything going on, not a whole lot's going on. Hopefully everybody enjoys the Chunky Makes or Yum Time. Like I said yesterday, I did my cheesy taco dip. Everybody seemed to get a kick out of seeing that, and everybody seemed to think it looked good. It was good. One of the comments I got yesterday on the video, somebody was asking, I wonder how tortilla chips would be if you made them in the air fryer. Verk Nimman, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'll put the comment in as the one who mentioned it. Well, we're going to run off of that today, and we're going to see if we can make tortilla chips in the air fryer. Now, as always, I work with what I have on hand. I don't have corn tortillas, but I do have flour and wheat. We might do a variation of both. I've never done this before, so you guys are going to see me go along and wing it and see how it works. So let's get started. Alright, so we got our air fryer plugged in. I guess we're going to decide on a temp to go ahead and preheat. So we'll go temp. What do you guys think's a good temp? I don't know, 370. That seems like a good random time. Yeah, let's go 7 minutes. We'll just gonna preheat, so we'll go more than that, and then we'll start. And hopefully it should be heating up. Alright, so my take is gonna be, I got tortillas, oil spray. Even though there's some oilless air fryer, we're gonna try it with oil first. And salt. Very simple. Let's see how this turns out. Alright, so we're going to start, got the tortilla laid out. So, trying to think of the best way. Let's do high cut maybe? Does that look like a tortilla chip? They're not perfectly even, but nobody's perfect, and I sure as hell am not. Looks alright. Alright, next we're going to mist. And then we're going to take our salt. I like using grinder salt. And we're just going to give them a little. We're going to flip over and do the same. Alrighty, we got both sides covered. We're going to take our very warm wire X that was underneath the fryer. We're going to slap these bad boys on the rack. Probably don't want to overcrowd them. We'll just start with this. I don't know. We'll try it. Alrighty, we're going to put them in the air fryer. We've got it set to 370 for 7 minutes. We're just going to start with that. And let's go. Alrighty. They just finished. We're going to pull them out and see how they turned out. That's annoying. Did we make tortilla chips? Let's find out. It's gonna still be very hot. get you back in. Let's see how we did. I think we made tortilla chips. I think we will serve them today with a nice supreme mild salsa.
As everybody can see, I'm trying to sit outside while it's nice. I fight these migraines and fighting it now. It's so bright out here, but it was not a single breeze when I come out here. Again, yesterday, I had all my stickers laying out. Yeah, all my stickers laying out. And every time the wind blew, I was chasing them all over the yard. But again, this morning I come out, no breeze, trying to get out and get some of the sunshine and some of the fresh air before I go in and hibernate into the dark. And poof, again, everything blew. I set up to take my picture I usually take for Instagram. And he said he had to keep bleeping me out. Was I cussing too loud? But yeah, I'm working on getting stickers ready. So what surprise did you bring me today? So he was in there talking to himself. I assume he's talking to you guys. Oh, they look good. Oh, there's that, what do you call that is that what you like?
Oh, the air pocket, yeah.
Mm-hmm. They're good.
Alrighty, that was actually pretty simple for what it was. I'm sure there were ways I could have improved on it. I'm sure that the people have got ways of doing it. That's just my take on it, how I thought it should be done. Anybody that knows of any improvements or have done this before, of course, let me know in the comments. If you like my method, let me know. First time doing it on camera, that's a big difference for me. Usually I have my trial and error period before I let people see it, but I'm bringing you guys along for the ride, whether it's good or bad. They were really good for what they were. Like I said, using flour instead of corn, I'm sure was a big difference, but for what it was, they were different and we liked them, so that's all that matters. As always, guys, I appreciate any support, all the support that's been given to me. Hopefully we get back to our normal videos here soon, but until then, guys, stay safe out there. I figured I'd show you guys a little shot of Quartzsite today. I'm running to grab the mail. There's some back little roads on Main Street. See how busy it is. The senior center is real busy for being closed. Main Street does not look too bad. A few cars out. I get asked, what's it like driving a vehicle with no speedometer? It's interesting. Oh yeah, post office is busy.
Say bye to everybody. Say bye. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Want to see more of our adventures? Click the subscribe and notification button.